Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about the multi-stage pump. Before I start video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. So let's start the video. So what is the multi-stage pump? The pump in which n number of stage impeller present. This pump is called as the multi-stage pump. Multi-stage pump is also called as the ring section pump. General arrangement drawing. Okay, these one are the GA drawing of the multi-stage pump. We are looking the some important part of the multi-stage pump. Okay, first part is the stay bar. Okay, stay bar is the main fastener of the multi-stage pump. Main function of the stay bar is to be tighten whole assembly. Okay, next one part is the gland cooling. These one are the gland cooling piping. Okay, the function of the cooling piping is to provide a cooling to a gland packing and to prevent burn. It is also prevent to suck air from the gland. Next one is the shaft. Okay, shaft is the rotary component as a kit with impeller, balance wall and the coupling. Okay, next one part is the deflector. Okay, these one are the water deflector. The main function of the water deflector to prevent go water inside the bearing. Okay, next one part is the D-bearing housing. Okay, the main function of the bearing housing is to provide a support to a bearing. Next part is the suction cover. Okay, these one are the suction cover. Next one is the middle body. Okay, these one are the delivery cover. These one are the non-draw inside the bearing housing. These one are the balance wall. Okay, the main function of the balance wall is to balance the axial thrust. These one are the gland or mechanical seal. Next one is the cross-section drawing of the multi-stage pump. Okay, these one are the cross-section drawing of the multi-stage pump. Okay, in that we are showing the internal part of the multi-stage pump. Okay, these one are the impeller, shaft, bearing, lateral rings means a log ring, impeller key, balance wall key, and these one are the green as shown is the balance wall. What is the main function of the balancing wall? Okay, the main function of the balancing wall is to balancing the axial thrust at the delivery end. Balance wall is the balancing the rotor movement and to protect internal rubbing. Okay, balance wall flow is the Brunos restrict flow means a free flow. Okay, it passes to the sump or again pass through the in section line. What happen when restrict or close the balance wall flow? Okay, after restricting balance wall flow, axial thrust go to one side and balance wall and impeller start to a rubbing. Okay, as a result, rise the temperature, internal wearing, power consumption more, and chance to burn motor or stall motor. Pump will be jam. These one are the cause when we are closing the balance wall flow. Working principle of the multi-stage pump. Okay, these one are the multi-stage pump. Okay, these one are the first stage, second stage, third stage, fourth stage, and these one are the fifth stage. Means these one are the fifth stage pump. Okay, so we are taking here example. Suppose one impeller head is a 20 meter, flow is a 30 meter cube per hour, power consumption is the 5 kW, and efficiency is a 50%. So, how much the final stage means fifth stage flow and head. Okay, so we are here calculating here. Okay, so final outlet head is equal to 20 into 5 is equal to 100 meter because of one impeller head is the 20 meter. So we are here multiplying the fifth stage. Okay, so answer getting here 100 meter. So our final outlet head is 100 meter. So how much final outlet flow? Okay, The first impeller flow is 30 meter cube per hour. So our final flow remains same, that is 30 meter cube per hour. Power consumption single impeller is 5 kW. So we are multiplying here 5 into 5 means 25 kW. So total power consumption is the 25 kW. And the efficiency remains the same, means 50%. So what is the classification of the multi-stage pump? Okay, the classification of the multi-stage pump has per outlet. First one is the single outlet. These one are the single outlet pump. Okay, this one has only one outlet. So it is called as a single outlet pump. Second one is a multi-outlet. Okay, these one are the multi-outlet. Okay, these one are the first outlet and these one are the second outlet, means a final outlet. So these one are the multi-outlet pump. The classification of the multi-stage pump as per position is horizontal multi-stage pump and the vertical multi-stage pump. Okay, these one are the horizontal multi-stage pump. Second one is the vertical multi-stage pump. Okay, vertical multi-stage pump is classified into two type, is a submergence type and the non-submergence type. Okay, these one are the submergence type in submergence condition, and second one is the non-submergence, because of these one are the dry pit pump. These pumps are not under the water, so it is a not submergence type pump. The classification of the multi-stage pump as per rotation, clockwise and the anti-clockwise pump. So as per lubrication, grease lubrication and the oil lubrication. As per drive, motor driven pump and the engine driven pump. Okay, shaft sealing, as per sealing, two types, a mechanical seal type and the gland packing type. So we are looking the multi-outlet multi-stage pump. Okay, these one are the multi-outlet multi-stage pump. This pump has a two outlet. Okay, if pump has a more than the one outlet, then this is a pump called as the multi-outlet multi-stage pump. This pump are normally used in the building sector for the firefighting application. Okay, suppose we are taken here example. Okay, suppose these one are the 15th floor building and we are installing here the multi-outlet multi-stage pump. Okay, suppose fire catches up to a 10th floor, then we are taken the flow and head from the first outlet, and if fire catches above the 10th floor, then we are taken the head and flow from the final outlet. Okay, okay, suppose here fire catches up to 10th floor, we are taken the flow and head from the first outlet. Above 10th floor fire catches, then we are taken the flow and head from the final outlet. Okay, this is the best application of the multi-outlet multi-stage pump. In multi-outlet multi-stage pump cover the multiple duty. These pump are the energy saving, because of if fire catches the below 10th floor, then we are taken the flow and head from the first outlet, then automatically our power consumption is low than the final outlet. Low floor space requirement, because of we are using here the multi-outlet multi-stage pump and here we are covering the multiple duty in a single pump. The requirement of more than one pump is covered in the single pump. So low floor space requirement here. Reduction in high pressure class piping. High pressure piping class is low, then this is affected on the cost. Reduction in maintenance and the control cost. Okay, we are using the single pump, then this pump are the cover the multiple duty, then the maintenance cost of single pump only. We are using here the multi-outlet multi-stage pump, so we are covering only one pump maintenance cost and the control cost. Main application of the multi-stage pump. Okay, multi-stage pump are using in the high pressure water supply, boiler feeding application, in firefighting application, steel industries, building service sector, mine dewatering, high pressure cleaning, and in the seawater application. These are the main application of the multi-stage pump. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.